Assigning a document title with MadeToTag and Adobe InDesign. For an accessible PDF, there's a requirement that a title should be defined. There are possibilities to do so in InDesign and in MadeToTag too. I will show both of it. I'm starting with the InDesign version. You can use File menu entry and then go to File Info. If you click on it, it will show up a window where you could put in several metadata. The requirement for the PDF itself should be the document title. That's the main requirement. All other entries here, like an author, the description, or for example keywords, are not a requirement, but always helpful. In this case, to show you how it works with MadeToTag together with InDesign, I will make an input for the author. So I just make an input of the author itself, and then I save my entries. Afterwards, I will open up MadeToTag using the window menu and then opening up MadeToTag. And we will work now in task number 4, review document metadata. As you can see, there's an entry in the author section. So the information from InDesign is provided by MadeToTag too. Now I need to add a document title. I provide one in form of a title called Tutorial Assigning Document Titles. There are advantages of having more than only the title as metadata, for example, description and keywords. So I will jump to the description and just put in something like a description and afterwards some keywords. This is always helpful if you're using, for example, a desktop search or there's a requirement of SEO. If you're done with putting in all your metadata you like to have, you can just put the next button in MadeToTag at the top. You will be asked to save the metadata, and if you save it, it will be put into the file info of InDesign itself. In this video, you learned how to define the document title and other metadata with MadeToTag and InDesign.